So, just to talk about the relationship between sleep deprivation and obesity, forgive me if this gets a little bit geeky here. There seems to be two major pathways for this relationship. The first is a relationship between short sleep and increased caloric intake. So, first of all, if you're awake longer, you have more opportunities to eat. And indeed, this is probably why children who watch more TV tend to be heavier. They tend to hang out, have lots of snacks, etc. The other thing which is really interesting is that shortening sleep seemed to be associated with increased hunger. And forgive me if I'm going to just drill down to the science a tiny bit. This was first identified in 2004 in a study where they took healthy grown-up volunteers and deprived them of sleep. What they found is when they were on, the details aren't important, but after 2 days of 4 hours a night of sleep time versus 10 hours of sleep time, hormones associated with feeling full, specifically leptin, were lower, and hormones associated with feeling hungry, this one was called ghrelin, were higher. They found over time, through the course of the day, people who were sleep deprived had increased hunger and appetite. Further studies showed this was due to a decrease in delta sleep or slow wave sleep, but the details aren't really important. The other pathway is a reduction in energy expenditure. Of course, if you're sleepy, you exercise less and you use fewer calories. Also, there seems to be a drop in body temperature associated with sleep deprivation. Why does that matter? Well, essentially, your body's like a furnace, and the hotter it runs, the more fuel it needs. So if your body temperature is lower, you actually burn fewer calories. So in a nutshell, those are the two likely pathways where short sleep leads to increased weight.